Hi everyone, let's see how to add collection to Shopify. First of all, access the admin panel of your Shopify store. And from here, click on products. Under products, you will see collections. Just click collections. Now you will see this interface. Here you can see collections. At this moment, we don't have any collection. So come over here on the top right corner and you will see this button, add collection. Click on it. And we are here on this new interface. We are going to add collection here. So first of all, the title of the collection, I'm going to add smartphone, and below here goes a little description for the collection. I'm going to paste some text, and on the right here you can see image. We can also add image for our collection. Just hit add image. I'm going to select this image. Just hit done, and here it is. And on the left here you can see collection type. For this moment I'm going to select manual. And friends, you can also add product to your collection. Just hit browse and select any product. I'm going to select this one and hit add. You can also add multiple products. Hit add and you have added a product to this collection. Okay, to publish this collection, scroll down. You can see save button. Just click save. Here you can see created smartphone collection. Here you can see two buttons, view your online store or create another collection. On the left, I'm going to click collections and here goes our collection and it has on product. So thank you for watching.